Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Python's urllib2 library is a powerful tool for making HTTP requests, but it can become a bottleneck when dealing with multiple requests due to its synchronous nature. To enhance performance and speed up the execution of multiple requests, you can leverage asynchronous programming using the asyncio library along with aiohttp. This tutorial will guide you through the process of speeding up urllib2 for multiple requests using asynchronous programming. Before we begin, make sure you have the aiohttp library installed. You can install it using the following command. Let's create a simple example where we fetch multiple URLs concurrently using aiohttp. This example defines an async function fetch_URL that asynchronously fetches the content of a given URL. The main function creates a list of URLs and uses asyncio.gather.